what's going on everybody? This is Joe here, and today I am going to show you how to double wall this house. This is not really my job. I'm a graphic artist, but I will do my best. This is my house and I have to work. I don't have money to pay for the laborer, so I do it myself. Also, before we start, I am going to hide this junction box first and also that junction box, because when we put a double wall here, it is going to show outside, so we are going to hide it. We're going to wire the 3-gang outlet down here. This is going to hold the 3-gang outlet there, and I'm going to cut this here. I have marked it already. It's going to fit this 3-gang outlet, and we are going to screw it in this wood. Now the 3-gang outlet is going to be screwed here. But before we screw it here in this wood, I'm going to show you how to jumper this 3-gang outlet, because this is not going to work if you are not going to jumper this 3 outlet here. You need 4 wires of this and form it like this, and you're going to put it here like this. I've already put the 2 here. As you can see, there's the 2, and then there's another, and this one is the last one, so that this whole circuit is going to work. There, jumpered already. We are going to screw it here. Now the mount is ready, guys, and we're going to mount this here and run the wire to that junction box. This is the wire that we are going to use. Now we are going to connect these 2 ends of wire here, and also the other like that. Now it is not going to get off. That's how you connect the 3-gang outlet. Now we are going to screw it here. Already drilled the hole. Good to go. Put this back. Now I have mounted the outlet over there. I'm going to connect the wire to the main line. First, you have to turn off the main power switch so that you will be safe. 220 volts, that's enough to kill you. So for safety, first turn off the main power line, okay? close the junction box. And then we're going to close the junction box. We're going to turn on the main power and we are going to test if the outlet we have installed really works. Now let's test the outlet if it's really working using this. In here, 94, 8, under. It works. There you have it, guys. Another video of me installing a 3-gang outlet in the wall. This is not having also a utility box, so I have put a wood here to a slab of wood, so that's going to hold it, so that when we cover it with Hardiflex or SmartBoard, it's not going to be installed in the Hardiflex, because Hardiflex are not that sturdy, and if we are going to move it, the Hardiflex is going to break anytime. So we have to install the outlet in this wood and then cover this with a Hardiflex.